Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, today we will discuss about the boost converter. So you can see here, this is boost converter circuit, this is input supply, this is switching MOSFET, and it is square wave generator 1 kilohertz. This is main part of the boost converter inductor, and this is diode. Generally Schottky diode is used here, and this is bulk capacitor. It will charge and discharge as per the output requirement. And you can see here, this is load. We put here resistance, but it can be any circuit, any microcontroller circuit or any other circuit. So what is the working principle of boost converter? As per the definition of boost converter always boosts the input voltage. Always the output voltage of the boost converter is more than the input voltage. Okay, because it boosts the voltage. So this is, you can say that it is a step up boost converter also, because it step up the voltage always. So you can see here, this is the 5 volt and this is 14.8 volt something voltage here. This is output voltage and this is square wave generator waveform. So now we talk about the working of this. So this MOSFET always on and off, and when it on, the current will flow like this. Okay, like this. There will be no current in output side. Okay, in that condition, here will be positive point, polarity of inductor will be here positive and here negative. Okay, and during this cycle, during the on of MOSFET, the inductor will store the energy. Now MOSFET is off. So what will happen in this condition? When MOSFET is off, so inductor will store some energy during the on, and it will release the energy during the MOSFET off. So this energy will go here and here. It will charge the capacitor and it will also available at the output. Okay. So in that condition, current will flow like this and this. There will be no current in the MOSFET because MOSFET is off, and we will get the output equal to 5 volt plus inductor storage energy. So in this condition, we will get some more output than input when the MOSFET is off, because input voltage plus inductor storage energy minus this diode drop we will get here, and this voltage will charge the capacitor and will also available on the output. Okay, so you can see here, the capacitor is charging and discharging. You can see here current like this. So when MOSFET will on, the capacitor will discharge. It will supply the current to the load. Okay, when the MOSFET is on, when the MOSFET is off, it will charge like this. You can see here, it is charging and discharging. So it is always discharge and discharge. During the voltage here, it will charge, and during the absent, you can say during the on condition of MOSFET, it will discharge. So this is the funda of the boost converter, how it works. So I hope you got this video, and if you got something from this video, so please like and subscribe this video and press the bell icon for coming video. Thank you.